WITSON.
Hi guys, this is Rob from Icebox also. Just going to show you today's install, which is on a Renault Clio. As you can see, this is a large, massive 9-inch screen version, or 10.1 should I say, tell a lie. These screens can come in a 9-inch or 10.1, but it comes with our Style 2 or Style 3. We'll put a link down in the description down below. If you go into the sale page, you'll see the different types of spec. As you can see, these buttons still work, door lock and stuff like that. Your AC buttons are original to the car, which go down below. I don't know whether you can see it in the video. Just see the top of my finger there anyway. So as you can see, this is a lovely nice new interface here, which basically splits off the car's home pages into your navigation here. So this is the Google Maps, which is on at the moment. You can put other maps on there like Waze and Spotify, that's music app, Waze and Copilot and stuff like that if you wish. As you can see, this is a fully touchscreen. There's your radio. As you say, we can lower that down. It does work with the steering wheel. 1 second. Does work with the steering wheel controls as I'm doing now at the moment. Just lower the music down. As you can see, there's your Bluetooth there, which is obviously got disconnected, but obviously we have got it connected to the phone, but it's gone over to CarPlay. Music app here. You see your ID tag there, which will come up there in the music albums if you've got it. File manager, gallery, video play. There's your Play Store icon here. Go into your applications here. As you can see, it's nice and quick, responsive. We tend not to do lag with our company. If you're going to go down the route of basically lag, then obviously you look at your cheaper alternatives online. But obviously we don't sell anything the wrong side of £200. We say the wrong side because obviously it's systems are quite buggy on the low end versions. But as I say, we always sell the 8-core ones and pay a little bit more for our systems. But as I say, the quality's there. Here's your CarPlay application there. So basically I've linked my phone to it today. It's got some apps from my phone there. There's a DAB radio app there, which basically takes you, I don't know, it's loading. There we go, the DAB radio. 1 second, let's go back to applications. Okay, you've got aux in there, so if you want to link anything like a TV box to it, you can do. There's your DSP sound processor center, so you can enhance the speaker system in your car. Let's have a little look. What else have we got? We go back there. File manager, if you want to put any applications on there like the uploader app for your IPTV, you can do it through the file manager there. Gallery, Google, Primer, that eye goes there. It's just a Chinese map we don't sell it with. Google Maps there. There's your Play Store icon. Steering wheel control setup, which is all done automatically. Vehicle settings, so you can do your setup there and show some like settings for the car's computer. So as you can see, measure units, fuel consumption, mileage, stuff like that. Let's have a little look. That's what we got here. YouTube app, that was already pre-installed. So I'll just bring it to an end anyway. So obviously, hope you can see exactly what we do. I will pre-warn you. See this, the way the system's designed. You may notice by the video that there's a slight couple of mil coming out there, but that is just the design of the unit in terms of what's behind it and where the system sits. It is designed there. It's not loose. As you can see, you can push it, but that is there. There's a little lip there, but just pre-warned on that one. So I'll bring it to an end. I'll put the description down below with the items link. Takes you direct to the website. All our contact details will be down there. So if you got any questions, get in touch on here. We'll hope to see you soon. Thanks very much. Take care. Bye bye.
WITSON.